Yeah, YouTube, it's your boy, back at it with another banger. And today's video, oh, as you can see, we got a little Mustang. It's not my Mustang, it's my brother's, but I'm finna whip that out, you feel me? So basically, let's get straight to it. I mean, I don't think nobody started it this morning, so. Bro, did this man's really just put daddy's money, but I'm daddy? Oh, nah. It's not a bad looking car, I'd say, but you feel me? We finna whip it the proper way, the Mustang way. Hey, but no crowds though, no crowds. Obviously, it's not a bad looking car interior wise. We got basically the modes, you switch them for here pretty much. I'm not gonna mess with it now since the car is warming up. You got, you know what I'm saying, a little screen. I really don't understand what the hell goes on. I guess there's navigation, entertainment, blah blah blah, whatever. And then a few neat things that I like on track apps, honestly. You got line lock, you got launch control, you feel me? Living. It's a 6-speed, you already know. Stylized, installed by Abu himself. Speakers on here are not bad at all, especially for stock ones. They got a nice little bass to them. And then he threw on these carbon fiber things. Makes the interior look pretty neat. Hey, shout out OnlyFans. As they say, it's 1964. So yeah. Sorry.
This will be your typical boring drive.
You know what I'm saying? It's about that time. It's a little windy. Maybe you guys can see the kind of here. I'll roll up the window. It's a little windy.
thank you guys for tapping in and checking out this video. So if you guys want to see more content like this, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, let all your friends know about this. Besides that, catch you guys later.